first line for question A, if score equals flow, input, enter your score. This is asking you to enter your score. And even if I put decimals in it, it will show me decimals. And continue on to the next line. So this is saying if score is greater than 75 or equal to 75, it will print first. The next one saying if score is equal to 70 or 75 to 75, it will print upper second. And you continue on like that to like this. If score is equal to 60 through 70, it will print second. If score equals to 50 through 60, it will print third. Go on like that. The LS score is LS is saying that if the one above is not true, then move on to the next line. If the one above is not true, then move on to the next line. And the last line, L score less than 40. If any value less than 40, even negative, I didn't say you can't put negative in here, even negative, if it's less than 40, it will print F3. That's it.